Good morning, everyone. I'm Leonardo De Grandis, and today I'm here to quickly tell you about my research line, which specifically focuses on exploiting graph machine learning techniques to learn knowledge from genomic data and, more in general, multi-omic data. Just a brief introduction about me. I started Polyme doing mechanical engineering because I really liked racing, and I still do. But then I transitioned more towards, let's say, software. So I did the master in automation and control engineering. During the master, I started working at NextLab, specifically about graphs and graph machine learning. So I decided to continue in that line, and I'm now starting. I actually already started a PhD in information technology, again at NextLab, focusing on applying graph machine learning techniques to the genomic field. Now, to give you some background, now we are really able to have a lot of data of the biomedical domain. The key issue is that we are not able to properly link together, because to extract knowledge from such a large domain, we need to be able to describe properly how each protein, how each disease or the drugs we are producing, how they interact together, how they exchange information, how they enhance or let's say diminish the effects one another. So the complexity we are dealing with is very high. And within this context, graphs appear as a powerful tool to provide a good and a comprehensive description about these phenomena. Because as you can see, with graphs, we can easily describe each entity, like genes, like proteins, like drugs. We can assign to these node properties, and we can describe all these possible interaction and their relation, how they enhance and how they diminish their effects. So once we were able to build this knowledge, what we can do is leverage some models like graph machine learning models to learn knowledge from these networks. In particular, with these methods, my aim is to try to predict what's the effect of a mutation or a variation in the genomic sequence, and how this translates to the phenotype of an individual. Another possible application is to try to understand how these biological entities work in more complex biological mechanisms like pathways, how each entity influences diseases and what's their role, and how genes can interact together to enhance or diminish their expression levels. More in general, my research area focuses on the creation of these multi-omic knowledge graphs, so how to aggregate the knowledge to data science and machine learning, and also to graph machine learning, supervised, mostly self-supervised methods applied to this domain. So if you're interested, just get in contact with me and can discuss how to proceed about the topic. Thank you for your attention.